Although they may be tiny and seldom noticed by people, microbats are fascinating little creatures. They play an important role in all terrestrial ecosystems by dining on a wide range of insects, from delectable beetles and moths to mosquitoes and other bugs. Microbat species are found right across Victoria, and scientists from the Department of Sustainability and Environment conduct research to understand more about the ecology and conservation of these species.
In many of the research projects we do, we often have to catch the animals themselves. To do this, we use a technique called harp trapping.
Harp trapping involves setting specialised traps in areas that the bats are likely to fly through. The harp trap is made up of 2 large panels of fishing line with a catch bag underneath. Sometimes the bats don't detect the fishing line and fly into the trap. They then slide down, unharmed, into the catch bag below. Once in the bag, the bats instinctively crawl up the canvas sides and hide under its plastic inner lining. Protected under this lining, they hang up and go to sleep until they are collected either later that night or early the next morning.
By catching the bats, we can gain a lot of information on how the population is doing. We can see if the animals are healthy and in good condition, and whether they are reproducing normally. It also allows us to take measurements, so we can keep a record of how these populations are faring over time.
A wide range of bat species may be caught in a single night of trapping. Common species, such as the lesser long-eared bat and the southern free-tailed bat, are often frequently caught in the harp traps during surveys. Once the bats have been measured and have had their health checks done, they are released into the night, or into a nice hollow where they will sleep the day away.
The availability of suitable tree hollows is vitally important to the majority of bat species throughout Victoria. The majority of both our common and threatened bat species roost during the day in hollows formed in live and dead trees. The disappearance of many of our large old trees that have these hollows is an issue for a lot of areas in Victoria. Protecting large old trees with hollows is critically important for all types of landscapes. If we can do that, then maybe we can ensure that we have these fascinating little creatures around for many more years to come.